Welcome to INO-TV, First Choice. In this video, we show you the current top products for machining stainless steel. First, let's take a look at the challenges of working with stainless steel. It is divided into ferritic structures that are easy to machine but promote the formation of built-up edges. Martensitic structures, on the other hand, have an abrasive effect. The most common materials are austenitic, such as 1.4301, which put additional heat on the tool cutting edges due to their low thermal conductivity. To increase service life, lower cutting speeds and good cooling are required. For modern, economical manufacturing, it is necessary to choose the right strategy with the suitable tool. For high performance, roughing and finishing, we recommend the FightMax Inox. With 3 to 4 cutting edges, 1x D to 3x D cutting length. Sharp-edged, or with corner radius, our program covers the HPC area. Our FightMax Inox products impress with their long service life, thanks to optimized geometry and Duocon coating. An additional special feature is the forehead, which has been specially optimized for ramps. Ramp diving is recommended for FightMax Inox, 1x D and 2x D, with edge protection. The HPC, Cord Roughing End Mill, QuickMax, is characterized by the radius flute and the special cord profile. The StarMax Super Finish, Multitooth End Mill, is ideal for finishing operations. For the trochoidal strategy, we recommend our 5 flutes TSC end mill with 3x D cutting length, as well as 7 flutes in 2x D and 3x D versions. Trochoidal milling for deep and complex contours requires an intelligent cam system to increase the efficiency. Our test center achieved top results with solid cam-eye machining and open mined hyper mill. The lower cutting forces produced during trochoidal milling enable smaller tool diameters with a high length of cut. This saves time and money. In our simplified application example, we compare HPC, FightMax Inox, with the highest spindle load. The QuickMax with reduced cutting forces and compact chips. And trochoidal machining with a smaller diameter. With the right milling strategy, time and money can be saved, depending on the application. Last but not least, process reliable drilling in stainless steel with the Inox drill program from 3x D to 8x D, and the DeepMax deep hole drills from 15x D to 30x D. See our videos, First Choice Drilling and DeepMax deep hole drilling, in detail. With Inovatools First Choice mills and drills, you choose quality and efficiency. Increase process reliability and performance, reduce wear and machining time. Thank you, and goodbye.